Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Pull out the dog. It's Fergie. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. You say if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S, yeah. G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy.
Happy 18th birthday, my daughter Denise. I love you so much. Even though mommy also will love you so much, we love you so much. Okay, stay humble, be a good daughter, and I know you try your best for your studies. We won't pressure you, and we also want to wish you all the best in your future. Okay, after this 18, you will turn out to be a lady already. Happy birthday, Denise. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
First class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Datin! I wish na kay good health and your dreams come true. Wish na ako sa imuha, padayon sa imong pagkabutan, and happy birthday and more birthday to come and good health. Again, happy 18th birthday, Ate Datin!
Kung gaano ka kamahal ng magulang mo, ganyan din kita kamahal. Salamat sa'yo. And again, happy birthday, Datin! Hey, gang-gang tayo ngayon! Enjoy your day, cuz!
With her charm and beauty, a round of applause, please, and make way to the debutante we have missed, Denise Asmin!
First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, 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 by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy.
Hello lang, happy birthday. Wish na ko nga magpadayon lang ka sa imong pagka-happy o pagka-responsible nga pagkabata.
They can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart.
101% you're the best daughter in the world. Kami sa imuhang daddy, sa imuhang family, sa imong mga auntie, sa imong mga nanay, sa imong mga ate, o sa imong mga lulo, sa imong mga sa imong mga igagaw, the best ka para namo tanan.
That will only bloom with age, learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. And more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful. You're growing older and more beautiful.
Happy birthday lang. Wish na ko nga tagaan pagkag taas nga kinabuhi og more birthdays to come and good health and tarong eskwela ay sa kuyab-uyab.
Kanang uyab-uyab, formal mo na. Kaya sa pagdari ko ninyo. Alam mo kalampos ka sa imong ipaninguhan imong kurso, kaon.
Language ako si Muala nga, magtarong niya po kag-eskwela niya. Ayaw may kalimte niya. Love ka na mong tanan.
Padayon lang jud. Wala na may masulti sa imuha nga ing-ana kanang tarungon mo no. Kay you're perfect. You're super perfect for everything. 101%. You're the best daughter in the world. I love you so much, Mommy and Daddy. Always here behind you. We love you. Happy 18th birthday lang.